Whimsical versus Miro, which whiteboard tool is better? Choosing the right whiteboard tool can transform your team collaboration without complexity. Whimsical offers simplicity and flowcharts, while Miro focuses on versatility and integrations. Whimsical and Miro are popular whiteboard tools designed to boost creativity and teamwork. The core difference lies in Whimsical's streamline, visual-first approach versus Miro's expansive feature set and integration capabilities. Whimsical is a visual workspace that emphasizes simplicity and speed, ideal for creating flowcharts, wireframes, mind maps, and sticky notes. It works by providing a clean interface with drag-and-drop elements that make diagramming intuitive and fast. Its strengths include an easy learning curve and a focus on clarity, making it perfect for teams that prioritize quick visual communication without overwhelming features. However, Whimsical has limitations in advanced customization and lacks the extensive third-party integrations found in some competitors. It's best suited for small to medium teams, product managers, and designers who want a straightforward tool for brainstorming and planning without the need for complex setups or extensive collaboration features. Miro is a comprehensive online whiteboard platform designed for collaboration across diverse teams. It works by offering an expansive canvas with a variety of templates, widgets, and integrations with tools like Slack, Jira, and Google Drive. Miro's strengths lie in its versatility, supporting everything from agile workflows to design sprints and remote workshops. It enables real-time collaboration with video chat and commenting features, making it ideal for larger teams or complex projects. The limitation is its steeper learning curve and potential for interface clutter due to its many features. Miro suits teams that need a robust, flexible platform capable of handling multiple project types and integrating deeply with other software, especially in enterprise environments. Whimsical excels in simplicity and speed, perfect for quick diagramming and visual planning without distractions. It fits teams focused on clarity and ease of use. Miro, by contrast, offers a powerful, feature-rich environment supporting diverse workflows and deep integrations, ideal for complex projects and large teams. The trade-off is between Whimsical's streamlined experience and Miro's expansive capabilities. For straightforward brainstorming and wireframing, Whimsical saves time and reduces overhead. For extensive collaboration, project management, and customization, Miro provides a more scalable solution. Choosing depends on your team size, project complexity, and need for integrations. Choose Whimsical if you want a fast, intuitive whiteboard focused on visual clarity and simple diagramming without extra features slowing you down. Opt for Miro if your team requires a flexible, all-in-one collaboration platform with powerful integrations and advanced features. It's the better choice for complex workflows and larger teams seeking a comprehensive whiteboard